Are you an e-commerce business owner that has a catalog of items and products, but have no clue why it's not converting? Or why those products within the catalog aren't selling whatsoever? Well, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a catalog that actually converts. So stay tuned till the end. You don't want to miss anything in this video. Let's get straight into it. So the number one thing that is overlooked and that you need to focus on for a great catalog is a catchy headline. Now, this is so simple, yet so effective that it should be present within your catalog no matter what. So no excuses. So you need to keep it short and simple, write in an enticing way, and you need to make the headline appeal to your readers' hunger for knowledge. So you need to make them hungry to read more and want to know more. Now, the next best tip for writing a great catalog is to describe the benefits. Now, you need to explain to your prospects how they will benefit from buying this particular product, what it will do for them. So it needs to be a real shift in focus from the features, right, to the benefits, to how can this solve my prospects' problems or my potential clients' problems. Now, this needs to help prospects visualize what they will be receiving once they get their hands on your product. And what this will also do, if you describe the benefits, it will raise the level of value that they see in the product and lower the level of uncertainty. So if you can raise the level of value and lower the level of uncertainty by describing the benefits and helping them really visualize and get a feel for what this product can and will do for them, and your chances of making that sale are just phenomenal. Now, third and final one, you need to tell a story. So you really need to build a deep connection with your audience. And while doing this, while telling a story, you're also harnessing the advantage of trust, right? So you're creating credibility. So if you tell a story, this will go such a long way and it'll really just help your prospect connect with you on a much more emotional level. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the very end. If you want to take your sales copy, your catalog to the very next level, and you want a working copy that can actually convert, you want to see results within the first month, visit our website at dymsolutions.com.au, book a free 15-minute discovery call. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together. With that being said, thank you so much for watching till the end. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below which tip you found the most useful. And if you've already implemented everything I've said, then let us know how that's going in the comments below as well. This has been your host, Alex from DYM Solutions, and I will see you in the next video.